From the Floor continues now from the Polin Waterparks booth with some big news on new products. Sohret is joining us. Thank you so much. Tell us, what is the Orbix?
Thank you so much, Scott. Great having you here. We are so excited to launch 2 new products specifically for IAAPA show floor. So this is the first one. Orbix actually is a 2-lane family slide which goes into the loop. But what is unique about Orbix, apart from its iconic structure and LED lights and everything, so these 2 lanes actually, when they go into the rift part, the loop part, in the loop we also have 2 lanes, which is unique, and they're having the loop experience for the first time racing.
And they race through the loop.
That's
awesome.
That's also unique.
And it says right here, it's new for 2026.
Yes.
This is brand new.
This is brand new. So this is something new only for IAAPA. So each year at IAAPA, we always, work about 1 year to launch new products, and Orbix is one of them. So we are truly very happy about this.
Sohret, you mentioned that you had not 1, but 2 new products here at IAAPA Expo 2025. What is this? First of all, how do you pronounce it?
Xaya.
And what is it? Xaya.
Yes.
And you have to do Xaya.
Yes, you have to do. Actually, Xaya means mask.
Mask.
And
okay.
so actually we are going with this name. This is a multi-sensory water slide, so like an immersive water slide. Of course, not like the other attractions, water slides, when we're talking about water slides, it's hard to make them immersive, but this time, we use the water curtains, LED lights. So these are all illuminated, like, they just
inside
shine,
here.
yes,
Yeah.
inside and outside. So actually it appeals to your eyes, to your ears. You can feel the water, so that you can feel the water slide with all your senses, actually.
Look at that.
And also, this is like, this is our natural light effects, for example, inside, again, creating a great harmony with the lights, with the water. So actually, we just want the guests to come to a water park, to really be a part of the story, so that it appeals to all your senses. So actually, I believe that as much as the riding experience, the way how the rides look matters.
Their aesthetic appearance means so much. Sohret, thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Greatly appreciate it. And that's the latest from the floor from Polin Waterparks.